Leo, let's do this. Oh, almost had it. Yeah. This way. Let's go, buddy. Yeah. This will be a tough track. I said taft. I always mix up my words. Tough and track came out as taft. Tough track. Put it out yesterday at 7 in the morning. It's now about 7:30, about 24 hours. Find it. Oh, by the way, how long does this take? 7:19. Let's say I start at 7:18. Now yesterday, I put this out in the morning, and I had them find it, locate it. I don't like saying the word find it. That's the command. So I say locate it. I'm talking casually about it. He located in 8 minutes. It's a 42-yard track. And he's completely off. So he's definitely not going to locate this by memory or for familiarity, because what he did yesterday. He's going strictly on scent. You can see he's actively working it, trying to locate the scent line. It rained last night, and this scent line cooked all day long yesterday in the heat. So this will be a tough 24-hour track. He was able to find a 24-hour track before, but it was one that was cooking all night long as opposed to all day long. And he is sure looking extremely challenged. I hope he doesn't give up. I put treats along the trail to motivate him to keep his nose down. He used to be 50-50 on the air scenting as opposed to ground scenting, and now he's more puts his nose to the ground, especially on these more difficult tracks when the scent is more faint. I'm at a park, really loaded with garbage. There's a bottle cap over there, a plastic bottle I mean. That's where I wanted to go to. I placed a little treat there. They know I passed track right next to that bottle. He needs to do a 180 completely off. Find it, Leo. Yeah, that rain. They say the rain makes things better or worse. I don't know. Worse if it washes away too much. And it's good if it moistens up the area a little bit. I don't know how much rain came down, but definitely rained a few hours ago. Or it was already an older track. That's good. Alright. He took a shortcut, bypassed a lot of the actual scent trail. He's on it now. He's doing S-curves on the line. Up ahead is that black hog skin, which is the target. Leo, good job, boy. Good boy. He's a good boy. Good job, Leo. Let me give him a little playtime. Hey, Leo, Leo. Woo! He likes that. I go, woo! So at the end here, I put a few pieces of dried liver. Good job, boy.